Hello everyone, I hope you are okay. Today we're talking about solving exponential inequality. Last video about equation, but today we will talking about inequality. At the first, we need to know what is the difference between inequality and equation. Equation have a sign only equal. Inequality we can use less than, more than, less than or equal, more than or equal. That's it. And all topic last one. Let's begin. Solve the inequality given your answer in terms of base 10 logarithm. It means we need to write it as a decimal يعني, or a fraction, only log. Letter A, 2 power x less than 5. Here I need to get the value of x, so we need to use a len or log, but he said use a len for base 10, so use a log for both sides to be like this, and we use the power law. It will be x log 2 less than log 5. After that we need to divide by log 2 for both to be like this. But here we have a note. We need to check a number of log f at be less than L1. F at less than L1 we write the inverse of sign. Here it's a less than, يعني هنا sign less than. If a number of log اللي هو 2 less than L1, it will be largest. We will use a greater than 2. هنشوفها other question. Okay, we need to write a log 2 in a calculator to be positive or negative. If log 2 negative, we will take an inverse of sign. Okay, next. Here I need to get the value of x. It means we will use a log for both sides like this one, and we use the power law. It will be x log 2 over 3 greater than log 3. Okay, then we need to divide log 2 over 3 for both sides. Here. Right now log 2 over 3 in calculator. If at be in a negative sign, we will write this. We will change to take an inverse sign for this. Greater than, we will write less than to be like this one. Okay, because it's less than L1. Okay, that is the answer. All of this. Solve the inequalities, give you answer in terms of logarithm. He have a condition here. We need to write by log, not len. This one, okay. We will write a log for both sides. We will write it down a power down to be like this. After that, we need to divide it by logarithm 3. We don't need to expand in brackets because the log 3 don't have any x, so don't do it. يعني let's divide it by log 3 for both sides to be in a simplest form, step by step to be in simplest form, this way. Okay, but don't forget log 3, it's bigger than 1, so it's the same, it will be in the same sign. Okay, when I divide it by log 3, I will cancel together to be like this one. After that, I will pass the positive 5 in other side to be in a negative. It will be negative 5 in other side. After that, I can divide it by 2 or I can multiply it by half. It's the same. It's the same way. Okay? That's it. Next. Okay. I have an x in a power, so I will use a log for both sides, but after that I will divide it by 7 to be in a simplest form. Okay, I repeat it again, divided by 7 to be in a simplest form. After that I have 5 over 6, but all of them power 3 minus x. Used a log. Here I will divide it by log 5 over 6, but don't forget to check your answer, it's a positive or negative. Okay, write it in a calculator to be positive or negative answer, يعني only sign. We will check it. It's a negative, so we will write the inverse of sign of the sign to be less than, like this. When we divide it by log 5 over 6, it's cancelled. Only we have 3 minus x less than this value. So I need to get the value of x. It means I will pass the 3 in other side by inverse sign. It means negative sign. But here I have negative x, so we can multiply it by negative x for both sides or divide it by negative x for both sides. We will divide it by negative x for both sides, but don't forget, if we divide it by any negative sign, we will change the sign to be divided by negative x. We will change the sign because we divided by negative. That's it. Okay. It's a last question for this topic. Prove that the solution to the inequality. Okay? Okay? Are you ready? Yes. Let me begin. Okay. Okay. We will take this one and we need to write in a simplest form and use all laws we know it. That's it. So first, I have here multiplication, so I can write it in a log, because here write a log, so I will write a log for both sides. I will shading from here. So I will write a log for both sides, and I will use two laws. The power law, because I have a power, and the multiplication law. Okay? Okay, step by step. It will be like this. I wrote the power down, log 3, plus, because I have a power law there, and 1 minus 3x log 2, and greater than or equal log 5. That's it. After that, I can expand angle brackets, because here it's, maybe we can get it. Let's try. So when I expand angle brackets, it means I will multiply log 3 for there. This 2x minus 1. Okay? After that, I have here 2x and there 3x. I will keep it in the same side and take any value, don't have any x in other side with inverse sign. So I wrote it as it. I kept that here, and the path negative log 3 to other side to be positive, and positive log 2 to other side to be negative log 2. That's it. Okay. Here, we will take x as a common factor. Take x as a common factor, it means here we will have 2 log 3 minus 3 log 2. And this side, it will be the same until now. Okay, step by step. Be with me. Here, why I used the log 5 times 3. Okay. We have a multiplication law, division law, and the power law. Here I have a multiplication. I use the inverse law. When I have a multiplication, I will wrote it as a multiplication. I will invite it to be addition, and so on. One situation. Here I have a multiplication, so I use here power addition. Sorry, here, and I use here multiplication. Okay, it will be logarithm 15 to be like this. After that, here logarithm 15 minus logarithm 2, it means I can use the division. Yes, to be 15 over 2, and I can see it here. It's we are right until now. From this one, it's a power law, because here we have a number before a log, so I wrote it as it. Then we can solve it. 3 power 2, it's 9, and 2 power 3, it's 8. After that, here a minus, it's mean division law, so I can write it as it. Yes, from this one. To get x, it's mean here we divided by 9 over 8, right? Or dividing log 9 over 8 for both sides, so x greater than or equal. طبعا you can check your answer in 9 over 8, it's a positive or negative, but it's a positive. So that's it. Okay, it's easy for you. I hope you were okay. Have a good day. Bye.